So this is kind of a side part of what we're cooking. It's called
what we're composting.
That's right. So we decided during the pandemic and our quarantining, I've always wanted to compost. Do you know what composting is, Nick?
No.
Well, so here's what it is. It basically you take stuff from your kitchen, like eggshells and some cardboard and potato and vegetable peelings. You put it in a pan, and then you're in a container. And then what we're going to do is put this in a compost bin along with some grass clippings, things like that, and that will go to help fertilize the vegetable garden you and I are going to be working on. Did you know we're going to be working on it?
No.
Surprise! Woo! So, Nick, you ready to get started?
Yes, I'm ready to get
All right,
started.
so let's go back. Let's go outside to the compost heap. So what we're going to do, Nick, unlatch that latch there. Okay, open it up. Now, open up the compost can, and you're going to dump that in. Give it a good, yeah. Coffee grounds, eggshells, and you can put in some old flowers like that right there. All right, close it back up.
All right, to latch it?
Latch it. Okay, now give it a spin 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right, and we'll just keep adding to that, and eventually it will decompose, and we will have
Our garden.
well, compost.
Compost.
And then
Our garden.
we'll eat.
We'll eat.